Protect your client's privacy. Their trust is worth more than any social media post. Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services and your KSC bidding consultant and owner of the KSC building. And today I want to share a tough lesson that cost me a contract. Now you guys know I had the Pirates contract. So today I want to share a tough lesson that cost me a contract. One of my team members recorded videos inside our client's facility and posted them on social media. The video showed areas that should have never been shown, that should have remained private, including their personal belongings and identifying information. Because as commercial cleaners, we are trusted with access to places that most people never get to see. That trust is everything. Our clients expect us to protect their privacy, their security, and their business. I tell my team all the time, don't tell people where we're at and when we're cleaning, because to me, that's a safety issue. You might not want nothing in the client's building. We might not even know what they do, but we don't know what other people think and what other people want. So you put their building at risk. So that's a security issue. Then you don't want to tell people where you're at. Like I used to have people say, we're here and we're getting ready to go here. No, you can't let people know where you're going either. And you really can't post inside of their building without permission. You know, even if someone thinks they're just making a harmless video, which he thought, it can create security issues, expose confidential information, and damage the trust that took years to build. We've been with them for 4 years, now lost the trust. It wasn't even about letting go of one person. It reflected my business. Now, I don't know how this is going to turn out. Did it hurt? Absolutely. Absolutely. I'm still trying to sink in the fact that I lost a good paying contract. But I'm not going to let this one setback stop me. Instead, I'm going to use this experience to become a better business owner. From this day forward, every member of my team will receive a social media policy before they step foot inside a client's building. And I also have attached that policy that I created that you can use in case you need it. So if you're a cleaning business owner and don't wait until something like this happens to you, put your policies in place now. Protect your clients, protect your employees, and protect your reputation. 4 people lost their job behind this. I don't know what effect it did to my reputation. Like, this is crazy. So immediately, this policy will be in place, which it was a verbal policy, but now it's going to be a signed, written policy. It's going to even be attached to my new hire packet moving forward. This was a big lesson. Just remember, setbacks are lessons, not signs to stop. Just learn from them, grow from them, and keep pushing forward, because that's what I'm going to do. Because so much has happened, you guys, y'all know. I've had my mom pass, now my cousin passed, lost my van, lost a tenant in the building. It's just so much going on. Ain't getting paid on time. I know God got something coming for me. Every time the trials get this hard and this wide, it's because God's about to bless me. And you know who don't want me to get this blessing. But I'm going to stay faithful. I'm going to continue to trust God. I'm not going to let this set me back. So consistency always wins. Y'all, let's grow together. I'm going to keep sharing my mistakes so you guys don't make it. Grab that policy and implement it in your business today. Talk to you guys later.